What's the meaning of corset? Corset. Corset.
Corset. Corset. A corset is a close-fitting, typically laced, undergarment that is designed to shape and support a woman's torso. Historically, corsets were used to achieve a smaller waist and an hourglass figure. They were often made of rigid materials such as whalebone or steel and could be very uncomfortable to wear for long periods of time. While corsets are still occasionally worn for fashion purposes, they are generally considered outdated and have been largely replaced by more comfortable and practical undergarments such as bras and shapewear.